Hi, my name is Rochelle McAllister, and this is an overview of the website I created for this class, McAllister and Associates. As you can see, the purpose of my site is to provide visitors with up-to-date accounting information and services. On my home page, as you can see, I used a very large header that says "You can count on us" and a big hero image because I want our visitors to see right away that we take ourselves seriously and we provide them with wonderful accounting services and information. On the About page is a picture of a business professional that I'll be replacing with my husband's picture. I made this site for him so that he can expand his accounting business, and this gives a little information about his background and a little information about how he approaches his tax and bookkeeping work. In addition to that, we have a picture of the Bellagio fountains because our business is based in Las Vegas and the Bellagio is one of the most beautiful features on the Strip. On the services page, I have more in-depth information about the tax services that my husband provides. There is information about how he prepares the taxes, our planning strategies, and tax problems. And if a visitor comes straight to this site and they like what they see, they can immediately click onto the contact button and it will take them to the Contact Us page where they can get a hold of us right away. On the Trends page, every month I'm replacing it with a new article, and this article I chose was from Blue Black Global, and it lists some wonderful accounting trends for 2019. On the Contact Us page, there's a field where one could put their name, email, and a message where we can get a hold of them and help them with their tax or bookkeeping problems, in addition to our address and the numbers for our different accounting departments. The reason that I chose to make this site was for my husband, and I feel like I learned a lot in the process. I had never made an entire website before, and I had not had a lot of familiarity with coding. So it was a very challenging project for me. I had to spend a lot of time watching tutorials and rereading my textbook, and it was hard, but I feel like it was worth it. Although I know I have a lot to improve on this site, it's a great start. And I'm really grateful for this class and the things that I learned. I also look forward to watching your videos. Thank you for watching mine. Bye.